Let's take one more exercise, and here we will learn how to use indent feature and create this model. This is a kind of protective shell. Dimensions millimeter, ISO standard countersink hole for M3 flathead screw. Okay. Now see, there is a one top view and there is a bottom view. You will see how model looks like. Now see, overall radius 95. Okay. Then there is a one section view A. Now see, 45 degree, the inside radius 10, here also inside radius 10, and distance from outer surface to inside radius 18 millimeter. Now depth 31.5 including thickness. So if you going to draw a sketch, you have to reduce the thickness. Okay. Then we will see there is a 15 number of holes. This is slot actually. There is a section B, 20 by 10. This is the size of this hole. Okay. Then what we will create, then you will see these steps. See these holes. This is the important. Internal radius 3.5. There is a radius 1 millimeter, and you will see internal radius 0.5. Okay, last there is, okay, let's do this. Front plane sketch, activate center line. Okay, now start with line, connect, draw one line. Now these lines we will later delete, but okay, let's do this. Without radius, this is 30 millimeter without thickness. Now distance from here to outside 195 into 2. So here we will make 200 millimeter, and later we will delete this. How much we need to delete? Okay, let's make radius 10 millimeter. These two, say okay. Then again make it 5 millimeter. Select this corner. Okay, cancel. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to this 18 millimeter is given. Angle 45 degree. Okay. Now actual distance you will see from here to this point 95. Okay. Now later this all we will delete. This is just for reference because we need this one. That's why I'm not going to add any dimensions here. Now go to feature, apply revolve boss base feature. Now you have to say close yes. Again you have to say I want to apply thin feature. Say okay. Okay, let me select view. See, center line selected, by default angle 360 degree, direction thickness 1.5. Now look, thickness going to add reverse, material going to add, so 30 plus 1.5, 31.5. See, the height is going to match, and from this side material going to flow inside. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, now I want to apply here some cutouts. Now look, these cutouts located at mid of surface. Okay, so plane, front plane, and choose this surface, and you will see the front plane is perpendicular to this plane. That's why you will see this perpendicular tangent to this surface. Look. Okay, now activate is plane 1 sketch. Now let me draw center line. Now let's draw a center line between these two circles. Because our slot located at midpoint, center point is straight slot. Apply, start from midpoint. See, there is a square midpoint. Okay, smart dimension 20 millimeter, and 10 millimeter. Okay, exit, go to feature, apply extruded cut. I want to remove material. So simply here choose up to next. No need to apply any thickness, say OK. Circular pattern. Now for this, let me choose this. Okay, feature, select this. For direction, I'm going to choose this circular edge. Equal spacing 360 degree and number of holes 15. Say yes. Let me hide the plane. Okay. Now in front direction, we have to make those holes. So I'm going to select right plane. Okay. This direction. Circle. Let me draw a circle. Radius 3.5. So diameter 7. Apply extruded boss base. Now here make it bigger than the body. Okay, unmerge result, because I want to use to remove material. Say OK. Okay, let me select this body and apply this color. Okay, now see the gap between these two holes 72 degree. So total 5 number of gaps. Okay, then countersink hole. 5 hole, 3.5 throughout hole. See this countersink hole diameter 3.6.3, angle 90 degree between this counter. Let's see how we will achieve this. Now go to direct editing, move copy body. Now let me select this body. Now here choose rotation. Okay, for rotation choose origin. This is important, and make it how much, 4 number of more patterns, and angle y degree. See the y is upper side. See, so I'm going to apply 36 divided by 2. Sorry, divided by 5. 72. Let me choose 72 degree direct. See, 5 number of things going to create. Say OK. Now again I am going to select this, double click. Okay, see, now I want to remove material from this face and add some material to this with the help of indent feature. Indent feature is a very beautiful feature. Okay, let's go to insert, feature, indent. Now target body, this. Now here remove selection. Select all outside bodies. Here don't select cut, apply thickness 1.5. See, material going to remove from inside, but thickness going to add outside at all edges. See, simply say OK. See, let me delete this body. Delete and keep body, delete body, select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let me rotate. See how this is remove material and add thickness at upper side. Fillet 1 millimeter. Okay, 0.5 millimeter from inside. Okay, before going that, let me delete this extra portion. Select this face, sketch, circle. Let's draw a circle and apply radius 195 into 2. Sorry, 95 into 2. 190. Apply extruded cut. Here apply through all. But choose flip side to cut. I want to cut outside, not inside. That's why choose flip side to cut. Say OK. and see, we received our expected body. Fillet 1 millimeter, choose here constant type fillet, and let me select this edge, inside edge, all 5. Say OK. Again activate constant type fillet, this time radius 0.5, symmetric circular profile. Let's go at bottom. Select all 5 cutouts. Say OK. Hole wizard, countersink hole. Where is this? This is the countersink hole. ISO standard, and see, this is flat head. Okay, let's keep this one. M3. Normal show, custom sizing. You will see 3.5 throughout hole. 6.3 is countersink diameter. 90 degree, keep through all. Position, select this face. Okay, I am going to, okay, let me exit. Just escape key, center dimension. Okay, now activate point and place hole at center point, midpoint of this. Oh, we forget to add in drawing. Actually, this is located at this. Let's apply dimensions. 36. 72 divided by 2. 36 degree. Okay. Let's check isometric view. Say OK. Look. Go to circular pattern. We need 5 number of holes. Let me choose here this hole. For direction, choose either axis or either circular edge. I am going to select this circular edge. Equal spacing you have to keep. Angle always 360 because the distribution along 360 degree. And here number of holes 5. See the preview. Yes. And here we done. See, this is a kind of protective cover. So this is how we achieve with the help of indent feature. Don't forget to share and like our feature. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.